For initializing Yaskawa V1000 inverter, power of Yaskawa inverter, here flashes alarm lead and monitoring call, that means serial communication transmission error, because of here existing connection is communication connection. So we want to initialize this inverter to set another machine for a remote operation or a local operation. So enter into the parameter A103 for initialize the inverter. Enter A103 and set here 2220. That's means two-wire initialization into the parameter. All parameter will set it as a default parameter. So now all parameter is in default mode as per manufacturing. Now stopping the inverter.